Studying abroad is an exciting and transformative experience, offering a unique opportunity for personal growth and education in a global context. However, for transgender individuals contemplating this journey, it can also bring forth a set of distinct challenges that require careful consideration and support. That's why having an international student course guide specifically tailored to the needs of transgender students becomes invaluable. Transgender students face hurdles not only in their educational pursuits but also in navigating societal expectations, cultural differences, and legal frameworks that vary from one country to another. From selecting gender-friendly courses to finding inclusive campus resources, their journey requires meticulous planning and preparation. By addressing these challenges head-on with knowledge and resources at hand, transgender students can embark on their study abroad adventure feeling empowered and supported. This comprehensive guide aims to provide insights into the unique considerations that transgender students may encounter when studying overseas. We will explore various aspects such as choosing trans-inclusive universities or colleges, understanding the legal landscape pertaining to gender identity rights in different countries, managing healthcare needs while living away from home, connecting with LGBTQ+ communities abroad, and much more. So whether you are still contemplating your options or have already committed to pursuing your education internationally, read on as we navigate this exciting chapter together, arming you with all the necessary tools for success along the way. When it comes to selecting courses as a transgender student studying abroad, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, it is crucial to research the LGBTQ inclusivity and support at prospective universities. Look for institutions with policies or initiatives specifically geared towards supporting transgender students. This can include gender-inclusive housing options, counseling services that understand transgender experiences, and LGBTQ student organizations. Another important aspect is finding courses that align with your academic interests while also considering personal safety and comfort levels. Some universities may offer specific courses or programs related to gender studies or queer theory, which can provide an inclusive learning environment where you feel supported and understood. Additionally, don't hesitate to reach out to faculty members or advisors in the departments you are interested in. They can provide valuable guidance on course selection based on their knowledge of inclusive teaching practices and potential challenges that might arise for transgender students. While it's essential to prioritize your academic goals, remember that taking care of your well-being should be at the forefront of your decision-making process. Choose courses that will not only challenge you intellectually but also create a safe space for exploration without compromising your mental health or overall sense of identity. By thoroughly researching LGBTQ inclusivity at prospective universities and carefully selecting courses aligned with both academic interests and personal safety considerations, transgender students can optimize their study abroad experience while feeling supported throughout their educational journey overseas. When considering studying abroad, it is crucial to research the campus resources and support services available specifically for transgender individuals. Many universities have LGBTQ+ centers or offices that can provide valuable assistance and guidance. These centers often offer counseling, advocacy, and educational programs related to gender identity and inclusion. Additionally, they may organize social events and support groups where you can connect with other transgender students who share similar experiences. Another important aspect of understanding campus life as a transgender international student is knowing how to access healthcare resources. Universities typically have health clinics or counseling centers that can assist with general health needs as well as mental health support. It is essential to inquire about the availability of experienced medical professionals who are knowledgeable about transgender healthcare issues. If you are undergoing gender-affirming treatment or planning to start during your time abroad, it is crucial to explore the options for accessing these treatments in your host country. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations regarding hormone therapy, surgery, and legal recognition of gender identity. Engage in open communication with university officials or organizations dedicated to supporting LGBTQ+ students so that they can help guide you through this process efficiently. Navigating campus life as a transgender individual requires careful consideration of available support systems such as LGBTQ+ resource centers and knowledge regarding accessing appropriate healthcare services both on and off campus. By conducting thorough research prior to arriving at your study destination, you will be better equipped to navigate these aspects effectively while focusing on your academic pursuits abroad. Transitioning to a new country can be both exciting and overwhelming for transgender individuals. One of the first steps to ensure a smooth experience is connecting with support networks. Researching LGBTQ organizations within local communities or at universities is essential, as they often offer resources, counseling services, and support groups specifically designed for trans students. These networks provide valuable guidance on navigating campus life, accessing healthcare facilities, finding inclusive housing options, and even legal assistance if needed. Joining clubs or groups dedicated to LGBTQ+ issues is another way to connect with like-minded peers facing similar experiences. These clubs not only provide opportunities for socializing but also serve as spaces for activism and advocacy. Being part of such groups allows transgender international students to share their stories, learn from others' experiences, and gain helpful advice on how best to navigate their journey abroad. When planning to study abroad as a transgender individual, there are important pre-departure preparations that need attention. Firstly, it's crucial to consider any legal considerations related to passports, visas, and name changes. Understanding the specific requirements of the host country regarding gender identification documents will help avoid potential complications during travel or when interacting with authorities in foreign lands. Additionally, researching local laws and cultural attitudes towards transgender individuals in the host country is vital. Preparing oneself by familiarizing oneself with these aspects allows students to better understand the situations they might encounter and helps them plan accordingly. By being aware of specific cultural norms, policies, and rights enjoyed by transgender individuals, students will be better equipped to navigate various encounters arising over their stay. It may also be helpful in determining countries where transgender participants are offered greater protection and acceptance, thus aiding the decision-making process when selecting where to study abroad. Understanding different perspectives around transgender issues globally before departure enables students to choose an environment that aligns with their values and where they feel safe to express themselves authentically. One effective way to cope with homesickness and feelings of isolation is by creating a support network in your new environment. Connect with local LGBTQ+ organizations, transgender support groups, or student associations on campus that cater specifically to the needs of transgender students. These spaces can provide a sense of community and belonging while helping you navigate any challenges that may arise. Seek out allies within your academic institution who are knowledgeable about LGBTQ+ issues and can provide guidance and support. Look for professors, advisors, or counselors who have experience working with diverse student populations or have shown sensitivity towards gender identity concerns in the past. Make self-care a priority throughout your international study journey, as it plays a crucial role in building resilience. Practice healthy habits such as exercising regularly, eating well-balanced meals, getting adequate sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. If feelings of anxiety or depression become overwhelming during your time abroad, don't hesitate to seek professional help from therapists or counselors familiar with transgender experiences, both locally in your host country as well as online platforms offering remote counseling services. This resource will not only help you manage emotional struggles but also assist you in developing coping mechanisms tailored to the unique challenges faced by transgender individuals studying abroad. Remember that coping strategies vary from person to person, so find what works best for you. There's no shame in seeking assistance. Embracing self-care practices alongside supportive networks will contribute positively when navigating through a new learning environment away from home. Transgender students studying abroad face unique challenges, from finding appropriate healthcare services to navigating gender-segregated facilities. However, it is important to remember that many universities around the world are taking steps to provide support and resources specifically tailored for transgender individuals. Before selecting a university, be sure to research their policies and programs related to LGBTQ+ inclusion. Many institutions now offer LGBTQ+ resource centers or offices dedicated to promoting inclusivity on campus. These spaces can serve as valuable hubs of support, providing access to counseling services, peer mentorship programs, and educational workshops on transgender issues. Additionally, some universities have implemented gender-neutral housing options or allow students the choice of using preferred names and pronouns in official records. While researching potential schools or programs, reach out directly to university representatives or current students who identify as transgender. They can offer first-hand insights into the institution's culture and may be able to connect you with existing support networks within the student community. Remember that seeking assistance from mentors or advisors early on can help ensure a positive experience while studying overseas.